Tesla used car prices are down $18,000, bringing a new level of affordability. Kind of bad news, good news. People that own them are like, hey, man. People that were looking to sell them, hey, man. People that are looking to buy one, hey, man. Of course, the used price has to come down if the new price comes down. Let's get with the times here. This only makes sense. Plus all the other soft stuff we talked about, all the other squishy stuff in the economy we talked about. And what do you have? You have the lowest price for a reasonably new Tesla probably ever in relationship to inflation and everything else. They've crashed 18,000 since their peak 6 months ago, bringing a new level of affordability. Most car buyers can't afford a new car and turn to the used car market, which is a critical part of the auto industry. When it comes to electrification, we always focus on the new car market. But what about this used car market? Also, people had been a little bit nervous about buying EVs on the used market because of longevity and reliability and just questions, right? Repairability, just questions. Well, at one point last year, used Model Y prices went out of control and started to sell for more money than new Model Y vehicles, well, because of availability and constraints on production. But used prices have started to come down. Here we have, what do you think about this graph? Look at the nice little line on there, hand-drawn line.
I like it.
So I guess they picked a particular model, or no, sorry, they did an average of all used Tesla vehicles. In July 22 was the peak ever at 67,915. Today we are all the way down to 49,697.
And that's the average.
That's the average, dude. So you're getting some deals on there. You got to get some that are in the 30s, and maybe we're even hitting high 20s on a model with some miles on it. No, we're not. Let's see over here. Here are the price movements from used Tesla's latest models. So I don't understand how the average is 49. Oh, I guess they're all Model 3s, the vast majority of sales. Because the Model 3 is the cheapest. It still hasn't cracked 40,000 on its average price sold on a used model, but it is incredibly close at this point to being a $30,000 something used car with not too much usage on it. I was hoping to see a high 20s, but I guess we're not there yet. Maybe one day.